This short demo will explain how accessible ARIA-enabled widgets from three libraries, namely MooTools, Fluid, and jQuery, can be used without programming at all in order to produce an accessible blog. Users with visual impairments will be able to successfully complete tasks using these components through keyboard navigation or screen readers. Let's go ahead and take a look of how the CMS demonstrator looks like. The demonstrator consists of a main post area and a column on the right which contains items such as the archives, posts, comments, and other information. Let's go ahead and click on the title of a post and have a closer look. The first part of the page is the blog post. Directly below are the comments, and below that is a form that will let users leave their comments. What we have seen so far is the front end of the website. There is another side of the WordPress blog, namely the backend section, where you will be performing several administrative tasks, such as adding an accessible jQuery ARIA-enabled widget in your blog. Enter your login information and then click the login button. This brings us to the admin screen. The admin screen has several parts. The left column that will give you access to all the administrative options, and the main column that deals with the content that you currently work with. Widgets are accessible through the Appearance menu here after they have been activated at the Plugins menu. Suppose you want to activate jQuery Accessible Accordion. Then click on the widgets and the main column shows you a list of available widgets. Most of these are self-explanatory. In the right column, you can see the widgets that have been enabled. It is easy to add new ones or rearrange their position by drag and drop them out of the column. In the same way, you can get rid of any widgets you don't want to use. Any changes you made in the column will be shown in the website. After completing your widget additions and removals, you can see the changes at the website. You can see the jQuery Accessible Accordion that we added with archives, recent posts and comments. Hit any of them and you should see the appropriate functionality. Let's activate a new widget, namely the jQuery Accessible Slider. You can place it in any area you like, for example, the primary or the secondary widget area. You may also notice that below the main column there is a column with inactive widgets. You can drop there widgets that you would like to reuse without losing their information. Place the slider in the primary widget area and change its properties if you wish. After completing your widget additions and removals, you can see the changes at the website. You can see the jQuery Accessible Slider that we have added, which shows a number of recent posts and their content. Move the arrow to the left or to the right and you should see the appropriate functionality. Now your blog is ready to be used by users with visual impairments using keyboard navigation or a screen reader. For more information about widget utilization through keyboard or screen reader, please refer to the instructive videos of Activity 3.2.2. This concludes the presentation of the AEGIS CMS demonstrator.